Car LED headlight bulbs provide brighter visibility, improved safety, energy efficiency, longer lifespan, and clearer night driving in all weather conditions. My today's video is about top 5 best car LED headlight that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Thermiter Car LED Headlight. The Thermiter H4/9003/HB2 LED bulbs are a serious upgrade for drivers who want maximum visibility and safety at night. With 32 high-performance chips delivering up to 1000% more brightness than halogen bulbs, the crisp 6500K white light dramatically improves road clarity, signage visibility, and reaction time. What truly stands out is the precise beam pattern, engineered with a sharp cutoff that mirrors factory halogens, ensuring excellent illumination without blinding oncoming traffic. Built for longevity, the aircraft-grade aluminum body, ultra-fast 22,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan, and IP68 waterproof rating work together to prevent overheating and extend lifespan up to 85,000 hours. Installation is refreshingly simple thanks to the true plug-and-play design that fits directly into existing sockets in minutes. With smart compatibility supporting 99% of vehicles and eliminating flicker or error codes, these bulbs deliver performance, durability, and convenience in one powerful lighting solution. Now our second product is Sealight Car LED Headlight. Sealight H11/9005 LED bulbs deliver a powerful lighting upgrade designed for safer, more confident night driving. Powered by 32 high-output CSP chips, they produce up to 1000% more brightness than stock bulbs, flooding the road with crisp 6500K cool white light that enhances visibility while reducing eye strain. The true 1:1 compact design matches the original bulb size, allowing a quick plug-and-play installation with no tools, wiring, or vehicle modifications required. What sets these bulbs apart is their precise beam alignment, which replicates the factory filament position to create a clean cutoff line with no glare, shadows, or dark spots, keeping you and oncoming drivers safe. Built for durability, the aviation-grade aluminum body, oversized copper base, dual liquid cooling tubes, and a silent 28,000 revolutions per minute fan ensure excellent heat control and an impressive 80,000+ hour lifespan. With 99% vehicle compatibility, advanced CAN bus support, IP68 waterproofing, and DOT approval, Sealight bulbs combine performance, reliability, and compliance in one premium lighting solution. Our third product is Farin Car LED Headlight. The Farin 20S H13/9008 LED bulbs deliver a premium lighting upgrade built around precision, not excess. Featuring 24 carefully upgraded high-performance chips, these bulbs push out an impressive 80,000 lumens with a crisp 6500K cool white tone, up to 1200% brighter than standard halogen bulbs. The result is sharper, clearer visibility that greatly improves confidence when driving at night or in harsh weather. What truly elevates this set is the ultra-thin 0.03-inch profile, which positions the chips closer to the ideal focal point for a factory-accurate beam pattern. This creates a wide, long-reaching beam with a clean cutoff and zero glare to oncoming traffic. Durability is equally strong, thanks to aviation-grade aluminum, dual copper heat tubes, efficient heat sink fins, and a high-speed cooling fan that supports over 60,000 hours of stable performance. Installation is refreshingly simple with a true 1:1 halogen size and built-in driver for quick plug-and-play use. With 99% vehicle compatibility and CAN bus readiness, Farin 20S bulbs combine power, safety, and long-term reliability in one refined package. Now number 4, Ursprung Car LED Headlight. The Ursprung Q12 series H11 LED bulbs focus on smart engineering to deliver powerful, reliable lighting without unnecessary complexity. Using high-quality 8 CSP chips, these bulbs achieve brightness comparable to 16 chip designs while reducing wiring risks such as short circuits and overheating. With up to a 900% increase in brightness and a clean 6500K wide output, They provide excellent light penetration for confident driving on dark, foggy, or rainy nights. The advanced 1:1 halogen beam design and ultra-thin 0.039 copper board create a precise, 360 degrees beam with no dark spots or glare, protecting oncoming traffic while improving road clarity. Built for longevity, the full aircraft-grade aluminum body and efficient heat dissipation system support over 60,000 hours of consistent performance, eliminating frequent replacements. Installation is truly plug-and-play thanks to the compact 1:1 size, built-in driver, and no external wiring, ensuring dust covers fit easily. With 99% plus vehicle compatibility and upgraded CAN bus support, the Ursprung Q12 bulbs deliver a balanced blend of safety, durability, and ease of use. And our last choice is Novsight Car LED Headlight. The Novsight 9005/9006 light bulb combo delivers an impressive lighting upgrade for drivers who want clarity, safety, and reliability. Built with advanced chip technology, these bulbs output up to 50,000 lumens of crisp 6500 K cool white light, dramatically improving nighttime visibility and making road details easier to spot. The beam pattern is carefully engineered to provide wide, long-range illumination while maintaining a clean cutoff line, preventing glare to oncoming traffic and ensuring a safer driving experience for everyone. Durability is another strong point, with aircraft-grade aluminum construction and an efficient heat sink design that supports stable performance for up to 60,000 hours. Installation is refreshingly simple thanks to the true 1:1 design and integrated driver, allowing a quick, tool-free setup in just minutes without space issues. Backed by a 2-year support program and responsive customer service, Novsight bulbs offer a confident blend of brightness, precision, and long-term peace of mind. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.